Today we have a Cocraft 300, I believe. This is particularly challenging for me because it has a Yale style keyway and my pick is very large for that. So here we go. It is just 4 pin. One is free, 2 felt binding, 3 felt almost binding, I don't know, it made a click. 4 is binding, definitely made some feedback. 1 is still free, 2 had a click. Now 3 clicked again. 4 I believe it is free. Okay, now we have 1 binding. This one is very deep, and this is very hard for me. Okay, great. We got this open, and this had just 4 pins. I believe some of them are spool, because sometimes I feel counter rotation on them. But the binding order is very hard for me, and since I'm a beginner, well, this is a nice little challenge for this very thick. It is a 0.25 hook, and yeah, that's it.